Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today I'll be learning how to view all of your spam emails on your Gmail account, and now let's dive right in. Now to find or view all of your spam mail on your Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. And after opening your Gmail app guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and you land on this kind of interface, or this kind of tab will open, where you'll be required to scroll up a little bit or scroll down with the options, and you'll be able to find the spam option available for us just below the all mail option. Tap on the spam button over here, and all of the mails which your Gmail thinks is spam, or the auto security given by Gmail which it thinks is spam, all of that, those spam mails will be available over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to view your spam messages or spam emails on your Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.